Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn on Vanish Mode on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and going to a conversation that we want within the Messages section. Next, click on the top name of the contact. After that, we enter Privacy and Safety. Here we will see the Read Receipts option, and we can deactivate it so that others do not know when you read their messages. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.